Tea time?
Tea time.
Hey Eileen, I brought some herbal tea.
Oh.
Yeah, this one helps with your digestion. This one gives you glowing skin. And this one makes your bones strong.
You know that doesn't actually do anything, right? I mean, there's, actual medicine to solve our medical problems, right? There's a whole accountability structure there. You have research, you have a review process and testing. All of this is there to actually solve problems.
Okay, you paranoid weirdo, how do you manage to trust anything, especially in the digital world, where we don't have these accountability and research and review structures?
I suppose I don't trust a lot of things in the digital world, but when I do, it's mostly about personal recommendations, good reviews, trustworthy reviews, reviews that aren't fake. And I think if you're really, really upfront about the pricing and the legal stuff, I might trust you.
So you're saying that you can trust the product if you know that the designers are taking into account needs that don't necessarily match their business model.
Designers are so good about, identifying the needs that people have. But I just know the moment I opt out of their system, they're not going to care about me. What if I'm trying to cancel my account or ask for a refund?
Or if I try and report harassment?
Or, opt out of targeted ads. I just know they're not gonna have my best interest in mind.
Yeah, you're right. It's depressing. We're used to products overpromising and under-delivering.
Yeah, it's really sad. Sometimes we're just a number.
So if you're gonna trust a digital product, you need to know that the designers have been thinking in advance about your actual needs, not just the needs that are convenient for them to be thinking about.
I think your skin is kind of glowing.